Hey guys, it's a Nerf Man 9700D and I'm gonna show you guys my fourth gun. It's a new Nerf Maverick, my Nerf Maverick. That's pretty cool gun, very cool gun, and I'm gonna show you guys my Nerf Maverick. I'm gonna show you the goods and bads with this gun, and of course, boom, firing test. So here we go. The goods with this gun is have the tactical reel right here, so that's pretty cool. Another good things with this gun is have the, not the clip, it's have the special like barrel or like drum, I don't know. So that's pretty cool. If the reload, you must press the button right here and push back like this, and you can see the bullet right there. So you just put that bullet. That bullet is like it's like the Firefly bullet. So yeah, that's pretty cool. It's stuck right there. Yeah, so I'm gonna show you now how it's stuck. It's right there, right here. So you just pull the bullets right here like this, and just push back, and that's it. You're ready for shoot. And 1, 2, 3. See, it's stuck. So yep, that's kind of cool. Another good thing to this gun is not pretty heavy. It's like light, you know, normally. And you can just this special move, shot, or like this move, like that, shot. So yep, that's a cool move. Now to the bad things. But the bad things with this gun, it's kind of big with the pistol. It's kind of bigger. See, like my hands. So it's kind of bigger. You can't just pull back like this. So yeah, that's kind of hard. Another bad things, it's not have like extra dart or like here somewhere like a recon or deploy. So that's kind of suck. Yeah. Another bad things with this gun, it's sometimes when you shoot like you shoot, and sometimes dart kind of go, that can't shoot. I don't know why, but that sucks. Yep. Now in firing test, guys. So here you go. I'm gonna shoot right here to this green one. So here you go. Green one right there. So holding it straight. 3, 2, 1. It's almost hit the door. So the distance with this gun, it's kind of like not pretty far, but it's good for like quick firing. So yeah, the good, I don't know, that just like this. It's not kind of hard, like maybe like it shoot like 20 feet maybe. Yeah, it's not bad, but it's okay. The Nerf deployed shoots like 25 feet, and this is 20, just like, but it's okay, so good. So thank you for watching. Bye guys, it's a Nerf Man 9700D. Bye, see ya.